Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox a Pilates chair, and it's very important to us to have a healthy body. So I decided to order this so that I can do some exercise in the house, and especially when we're working from home, we want to keep moving. So let us unbox this and let's see how it goes. And of course, in few weeks or few days from now, I'm going also to show you how to use this chair, and we're going to have a review about this. So help me in unboxing the chair. Let's see what we got here. Just opening the box right now, and this was actually shipped here in my house. Because right now we cannot really go out to do some shopping, so I just decided to do it online. So let's just use the knife for this side so it's easier. This is well packed. There's so much food. Let's do the other side. And we're going to tilt this. Let's see. There we go. Let's do the other side so you can see it. It's huge. Let me just check what's in the box. We have the DVDs. We have here the instruction how to use it, and it says ABS Powerhouse, legs and buns, arms and back. So we have different kinds of DVDs. We have actually 5. And then I have here the belt. So this is one of the good things because, this is a pro band. Actually, this is a pro band that you can just do for making sure that your arms are stronger. So we also have the ring. Look at that. This is really cool because you can do it in different, or you can do it for different things. Really nice. Just have to cut all the strings that's in and then it will be standing soon. Okay, now that our chair is assembled, it shows right here, we are putting the band. We have these bands that we can use for strengthening our arms and of course our legs too. So we're just gonna do it like this, and the other one here. By the way, when I got the chair, this was also free, but you can also buy this separately, and this is how it looks right now. So you can even stand up and do like this, do other stuff, and you can use it for your legs. So the ring that came with this, but you can also buy this separately, so to strengthen your arms too, and your legs, the foot, so you can do multiple items with this. And next time I'm going to show you how to use other stuff with the ring, the band. And by the way, we have the last one here to open. It is the sidebar. So let's just see what is inside. I got it separately too. It didn't come with the chair, but I find it that when I was watching the show, I find it that it's very helpful. So I decided to get this. Let's do the other way around because currently I opened the back. So let's just okay, this maybe here. We're just going to turn this upside down. At least you can get the side. Let's just assemble this. Here it is, and then it's going to be at the side. So I'm just going to use the plastics. Since I just got the equipment, the Pilates chair, I have put these movements on the wall, so it's easier for me to see what kinds that I can use if I don't have the time to watch the DVD yet. So there you go. It says 10 makeover moves. And of course, we have the 6 DVDs here. 5 that came with the chair and 1 that came with the handles. So this is perfect. I'm excited to use it. By the way, this is not a paid advertisement. Bars came with the DVD as well, and here it is. So we're going to open the package here. At least we can see how to put these bars. And as you can see, it's getting along, and it seems really nice. So that's the DVD. And by the way, I have the other 5 DVDs here on how to use this chair. So once I've watched the DVDs, and then I will show you some of the movements that we can do to make our body fit. And this is the assembling part of it. So let's assemble. So now this is assembled. The sculpting handles assembly guide I have here. So everything is good now. And then this is the total body workout. By the way, this is optional if because I bought it separately. If you don't have this, you can just put the handles here at the side, and this will help you with your buns, with your core, and of course with your thigh. So there's so many things that you can do with this Pilates chair, and I am excited to use it soon. I showed this to you before. This one here that will also help you strengthen your arms and of course your legs too, and all parts of your body. So this is perfect for people that don't have time to go to the gym, and also if you're working from home or you don't have the mobility all the time, you can just use the chair. You can even use this when you are doing the computer work. And by the way, of course, if you don't have the chair or any equipment at your house, it's okay too. You just go outside, walk around, jog and run, and do other things that will make your body fit. And I'm so happy that I got this. So this is Arlene Mendez, and I'm glad that you joined me in assembling my new chair, Pilates chair. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and of course, hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my next video. As always, Arlene Mendez, God bless us all, and bye for now. Shout out to my channel members, Kunyang Kadama, Dreamrose31 SG, Rich May USA, Lucy Pagalan, and of course, last but not the least, ATV channel. And to those friends that always watch my videos, thank you so much. God bless us all.